The Glamour Boys were in a post-match best-up as the club's disappointing run continued following a loss against the Natal Rich Boys. Kaizer Chiefs coach Kevin Johnson has revealed that his players argued after their disheartening loss to Richards Bay in KwaZulu-Natal. Vusimuzi Vilakazi's struggling team bagged 3 points against Amakhosi following a narrow 1-0 win in a PSL clash at the Kings Welithini Stadium on Sunday, thanks to Simphiwe Mgcineka's strike. Following the game, tempers flared in the Amakhosi changing room as Chiefs unpicked another damaging defeat, having also lost against Chippa United and Stellenbosch in recent weeks. Kevin Johnson said second half it was a little bit different, but first we had a lot of possession. We got in the box quite a few times and we should have put combinations or calmness to score the goals, but it was not to be today. I can't tell you that my players in the dressing room are arguing with each other because these are the things we know we should be better at, but it was not to be today. I think as we talk now, it looks like Richards Bay have won the league and good luck to them. We have to go back and we have to start again even though we have 6 games left now. The tide must turn for Kaizer Chiefs somewhere. We have to get better in front of the goals because as far as ball position is concerned, as far as playing the right players is concerned, I don't think we are making those mistakes. But as far as putting the ball in the back of the net is concerned, we must be better. These results mean Kaizer Chiefs are now 10th in the PSL table with only 6 matches to go. It also limits their chance of finishing the top 8. The argument between the players might make things worse than before as it seems everyone is angry with negative results of recent games. Johnson and his troops will be hoping to turn things around in the last 6 games after going 3 successive games without a win. The Soweto Giants will welcome SuperSport United in their upcoming league fixture on Saturday, April 27th. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.